Welcome to the Aston Workshop. Here we have today our beautiful 2007 Aston Martin Vantage V8 Coupe, finished in tungsten silver with sandstone interior. Car's only done 22,700 miles from new, from its 3 previous owners. Car's got a full Aston Martin service history, and it comes with some nice options. It's got the upgrade 7-spoke alloys, satellite navigation, rear parking sensors, and it's also got the clear lamp indicators on the rear of the car as well, which is a £2,000 option, aftermarket option, which finishes the car off and gives it a more modern look. And what we have also done, even though it had only done 22,000 miles, we fitted an AMR Twin Plate Clutch light flywheel. Completely transforms the car, makes it a lot more enjoyable, makes the clutch a lot lighter, a lot more engaging, and a fantastic car to drive. So here we have a stunning motor car ready to be driven and enjoyed by its new owners, and prior to delivery it will be serviced, MOT'd, and have 6 months Aston Workshop warranty with the vehicle.